In May, the Miramichi Salmon Association builds and maintains smolt wheels in the Miramichi River at various points. These wheels are used to estimate the number of smolt in the river during a given year. This year, 2 wheels were placed in Weirton and 1 in Dungarvan. They were fished every day by the MSA biologist Lindsay and her field team. Over the span of 4 days, the cables, as well as the wheels, went up in both locations. The MSA partners with other organizations such as DFO, ASF, and Anquotum to help with their own smolt studies. Once the wheels are fished, the smolt are brought back to shore to count and analyze. The fork length of the first 25 smolt are measured, and the first 100 smolt are tagged. The plastic tags are attached at the end of a sterile sewing needle, and great care is taken to tag the fish above their dorsal fin, ensuring no organs are hit. These tags normally fall off the fish as they move to the ocean. Once the tag is properly in the fish, they are placed in a bucket, and the buckets are then placed into an oxygenated water tank on the back of a truck, which will be used to transport the tagged fish. Before counting and releasing any fish that are over the 100 count tagging limit, 10 are measured and scale samples are taken. This is done by gently gliding a scalpel over their tail and placing the scales on a microscope slide. These scales can then be analyzed to ensure the health of the smolt. At the Dungarvan wheel, some of the smolts are tagged, while others are brought back to the hatchery to be raised and spawned as part of a stocking program. Smolts are not the only thing that we find in our wheels. The tagged fish are then transported 1 kilometer up the river where they're released. It's then recorded to see if these tagged smolt are caught in the wheel again, which in the end helps to give an estimate of how many smolt are in that portion of the river.